Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your social studies class. I hope all of you are enjoying good health and taking good care of yourselves. We have finished chapter 12, Northern Mountains, the Himalayan region. It was an interesting chapter and we learned so many things about the Himalayan range and the states and union territories which are located in this region. Today we are going to have a quick recall of what we learned in this lesson and then we will discuss the exercises. I have collected some beautiful pictures for you too so that you enjoy watching them. So happy learning. We begin with let us recall. The Himalayas are the highest mountain ranges in the world. It has three parallel ranges called Greater Himalayas or Himadri, Middle Himalayas or Himachal, and Shivalik Hills, which are the southernmost part of these three ranges, parallel ranges. At the foothills of the Shivalik lies the Terai region. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. The Himalayas are very useful to us and we discussed how they are important and how they are useful to us. So you will need to go back to the lesson and learn them once again. Very briefly, I'll just mention a few of them. First, it has the Himalayan forest. They provide us with so many products, plant products. Then we have animals residing in the forests. Then we have dams which provide us hydroelectric power. The rivers, they originate from the Himalayan glaciers, and the main rivers, the three main rivers of India, the Yamuna, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, all three of them, they originate from the Himalayan glaciers, and there are many more uses. You can go back to the lesson and revise that. Northern mountains include the Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, states of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Sikkim and northeastern states. The Kashmir Valley is very beautiful. Himachal Pradesh has many hill stations. The northeast is a group of 7 states. These 7 states are known as 7 sisters. So if any one of you has visited these states, 1, 2 or more of them, any of the hill stations, when school reopens, you can share your experience in the class. Okay. Here you can see the map of this region. You can see how they are located in the Himalayan area. Number 1 is Jammu and Kashmir, 2 Himachal Pradesh, 3 Uttarakhand, 4 Sikkim, and as you can see, Sikkim is located between two countries. One is Nepal lying to its west and the other one is Bhutan lying towards its east. So Sikkim lies between Nepal and Bhutan, which are two of our neighboring countries. Number 5, Arunachal Pradesh, which you can see is the easternmost part of our country. Number 6, Nagaland. 7, Manipur. 8, Mizoram. 9, Tripura. 10, Meghalaya. 11, Assam. And 12, West Bengal. These two states have only the hill districts which are located in Himalayan region. The rest of it belongs to the plain area, river basins. So about which you will learn in the next lesson. Now we move to the exercises. We begin with think and answer. Number 1, take the right answer. Himadri is another name for Greater Himalayas. Which region is famous for Pashmina shawls all over the world? Kashmir. Where are the Amarnath cave and Vaishno Devi shrine located? Jammu and Kashmir. Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath are famous pilgrimage centers. In which state are these located? And the answer will be Uttarakhand. And when you go for pilgrimage and cover all these four regions, four places, it is called Char Dham Yatra. So whoever going for Hindu pilgrimage called Char Dham Yatra, they will visit these four places. That is Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath, and Badrinath, and it is a tough job. It is not at all easy. It is very mountainous, very cold, but still very enjoyable and worth a visit. Kanchenjunga is situated in the state of Sikkim. Rumtek Monastery is the famous landmark of Sikkim. The main language of people of Tripura is both of these, that is Bengali and Kokborok. Bengali is spoken by the people in general, while Kokborok is tribal language. Which is the easternmost part of India? Arunachal Pradesh. Match the following. Number 1, Rauf matches with Jammu and Kashmir. Nati, Himachal Pradesh. Buddhists matches with Sikkim. Mizoram, shifting cultivation. Number 5, Firan, which is a warm gown. Number C. And Dashara matches with Kulu Valley. Dashara is celebrated with great pomp and show in Kulu Valley, and it looks very colorful too. Fill in the blanks, choose words from the box. So the words are given, we are going to choose the most appropriate ones and fill in the blanks as needed. Number 1, Kashmir is famous for its houseboats, and these houseboats can be found in the Dal Lake. Amarnath Cave and Vaishno Devi are two pilgrimage centers of Jammu and Kashmir. People of Himachal speak Hindi and Pahari. Kanchenjunga is located in Sikkim. Assam is famous for its tea. The sun rises the earliest in Arunachal Pradesh because it is the easternmost part of our country. Write T for true and F for the false statements. We will not write T like we have been writing, we will write true, and we will not write F, we will write false. And even in exam, I expect you all to write true and false. You will not write T and F. And here we are going to correct the incorrect statements so that you are able to know why this sentence is, a particular statement is false. Kashmir is famous for its apples and saffrons, that is true. Nati is famous dance of Uttarakhand, that is false because it is a famous dance of Himachal Pradesh. Most people of Sikkim belong to Lepcha and Bhutia tribes, that is true. Darjeeling is famous for its good quality jute, that is false, it will be T. And what else is Darjeeling famous for? For the beautiful sunrise that you can see when you visit Tiger Hills. Sorry. Bamboo dance of Assam is quite famous. False. It is bamboo dance is of Mizoram. The sun rises the earliest in Assam. That is again false. It rises the earliest in Arunachal Pradesh, which is the easternmost part of our country. Now there are some activities given in your book towards in the end of the lesson. I have put it here. All those who are interested, they can go take help from the internet or from your elders, your brother or sister or your parents, and try to do as much as you can. You can use your rough copy to do these things, or if you are using any scrapbook at home for your fun activity, you can use that too. This is your own activity which you will do just for fun. Okay. So find out the names of unique wild animals and birds found in the Himalayan region, collect their pictures, paste them on a chart paper, write 2 lines about each one of them. So anyone interested can do this and keep the chart paper ready, and when school reopens you can bring it to school and it can be displayed on the bulletin board. Okay, don't trouble your parents, try to do as much as you can yourself. Okay. Have you ever gone to a hill station? Write a letter to your closest friend describing the following features. location of the place, climate, tourist spots, food, dresses, unique animals, birds. If you have visited any of these places, you can make a note, a travel diary, and share it with your friends. How will you share now? You can click a picture of your chart paper or of your travel diary and send it through WhatsApp to your friends. Okay, or when school reopens, you can read out from that and share your experiences with your friends. I'm keeping you all busy and you will enjoy. Okay, the Himalayan forests are famous for medicinal plants and trees. One of these is the Himalayan yew, which is very useful in treatment of cancer. Learn about it, write a paragraph on it. So you can take help and do these activities. These are totally for your extra knowledge, and you will surely enjoy doing these. You can do it in a chart paper, you can do in your rough copy, or you can even do in a scrapbook, which old scrapbook which you use at home. So I have also put some beautiful pictures. I have collected some pictures of the Himalayas for you to sit and enjoy. So simply sit and admire these and enjoy the beauty. In this picture, you can see the dry mountains of the Ladakh area, and you can also see some mountaineers climbing the snow capped mountains. So, till we meet again with a new set of video tutorials and a new lesson, keep learning, keep enjoying, and keep smiling.